In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort alphabetically in WPS Office. This walkthrough is designed to guide you through the sorting feature in a smooth and practical way, so you can quickly organize your content and keep everything neat and readable. Sorting alphabetically is especially useful when working with lists, paragraphs, or structured text because it helps you find information faster and maintain a clean layout in your document. To begin, make sure you are on the main editing screen where your content is visible. From the home page of your document, look toward the top menu and locate the Sort option. This tool is built directly into WPS Office and allows you to rearrange content based on specific criteria with just a few selections. After tapping the Sort option, a Settings panel will appear. In this panel, you will see a section labeled Sort By, along with a drop-down menu underneath it. This drop-down lets you decide what part of the document you want to organize. You can choose paragraphs, headings, or specific fields, depending on how your content is structured. Selecting the correct option here ensures that the sorting process applies to the exact elements you want to rearrange. Next, you'll be asked to choose the type of data you are sorting. Since the goal is to arrange items alphabetically, select Text as the sorting type. This tells WPS Office to organize your content based on letters rather than numbers or dates. Choosing the correct data type is important because it directly affects how the final order will appear. Once the text option is selected, you can then decide the sorting order. You have the choice between ascending and descending. Ascending order arranges the text from A to Z, while descending order arranges it from Z to A. Pick the option that best suits your needs or the format required for your document. After confirming your preferences, tap the OK button to apply the changes. As soon as you do this, WPS Office will automatically reorganize the selected content. You will immediately see that everything has been sorted alphabetically according to the options you chose. Take a moment to review the result to ensure the order looks correct. If needed, you can always repeat the process and adjust the settings until the layout matches your expectations. This simple feature can save time and greatly improve the readability of your documents. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.